the mountains. The topography of the mountains holds that cloud cover back from hitting those higher peaks, the desert. So if you live in Lancaster, Palmdale, you definitely saw the moon overnight and you're seeing the sun at this hour. And below that, where we're at here in the valleys, you definitely can't see much. We're covered in those clouds, which is your typical June gloom weather pattern. It's here again, and it will continue through the rest of the week. So for the first half of your morning, look forward to those clouds. We'll see it very slowly clear at the coastline. So if you live at the beaches, it might take longer for you to see that sun here today as it starts to back away inland first and then towards the beaches. Cooler for tomorrow and Friday, and then we get to the weekend and things are going to warm up again. So we'll have a little sandwich of temperatures. Warm today, cool tomorrow and Friday, and then the weekend is warm again. Okay, let's get to it. We've got warmer than average highs coming our way. You can see on the map between June 16th and the 20th, well, we're going to be above average here coming up over the next few days. We're going to continue to see a trend that is much warmer because what's happening is there's a ridge of high pressure just off to our east, and it's going to strengthen over our region to bring that warmth our way and have it continue. So as I show you, we've got help from an area of low pressure to our north and the Pacific Northwest to cool us down a little bit and push that jet stream closer to us. Jet stream's that line that separates the cool air to the north and warm air to the south, and right now we are below the jet stream. There's that ridge of high pressure off to the east. This is developing, and that's going to bring us the above average heat that we're going to see starting this weekend for Father's Day and beyond that. So we'll continue to monitor those numbers for you. But for today, it is very warm. We've got some triple digits, but up at Edwards Air Force Base and Barstow. Towards Victorville and Lancaster, we're taking it down a couple degrees to 99. We've got some 70s and 80s for the mountains, Big Bear and Wrightwood, looking at some warm temperatures there, with 90s for you in the Inland Empire. San Bernardino, you see the sun first. You also have poor air quality today, so heads up on that. Your high today, 95. 95 Paris, 80s for you in Temecula, 80s through the Anaheim area. We've got some 70s though for Irvine and Santa Ana, so not too bad of a forecast. And the reason why it's cooler at the coast, it's that marine layer. So say thank you to our natural air condition. 73 for Camarillo, Thousand Oaks, about 80 degrees. We've got 80s through the valleys in downtown LA. We've got 70s and 80s coming our way with temperatures at the coast in South Bay in the 60s and 70s. So as we look forward, the next 3 days are going to be cooler than what we're going to see this weekend because that marine layer in the mornings. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, pretty much the same every day. And then we've got temperatures warming Saturday and Sunday for Father's Day. 70s at the beaches, almost 80 degrees as we head to your Sunday. Temperatures inland, warmer of course. We've got mid-70s or mid-80s actually today. 80s and 90s as you head to the weekend. 90s will be here for you all week in the Inland Empire with temperatures close to 100 on Sunday. That's going to be the warmest day of the week. For you in the deserts, look forward to some 90s and triple digits. Low desert, triple digits all week. Going to be real hot as we head to Sunday. 111 and 112 for Father's Day if you're headed that way. And for the mountains, we've got clear skies right now. That's how it's going to stay the rest of the week with temperatures in the upper 70s every single day. That's been a look at your forecast. Have a great day ahead. Let's send it over to Robin Winston with a check.